The Central Village Police are seeking the assistance from residents as they investigate a gruesome find in that community. The body of an unidentified man was found ablaze in an abandoned pit latrine in McBride Hill, Central Village, St. Catherine Sunday morning. Shortly before 11 o'clock, residents reportedly saw the body on fire and called the police. A unit from the Waterford Fire Station carried out cooling down operations. The cops are asking anyone with information that can assist in identifying the body to contact them at 876-984-2644, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, has acknowledged that the current state of public emergency will cause inconvenience to several businesses and residents, but again, he says it's justified. Mr. Davis was speaking at an official church service in St. James to mark Jamaica's 57th anniversary of independence. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, whose greetings were brought by Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Fort, also highlighted some pressing challenges which, in the view of the administration, must be urgently addressed. We have more in this report.
Tourist arrivals have not been the only topic of conversation of late in Montego Bay, St. James. The state of public emergency remains a front-burner issue for many. At a church service to mark Jamaica's 57th anniversary as an independent nation, it was again the spotlight, and the mayor was once again preaching about the benefits.
There are several critics of whether or not we should or we should not have. But the evidence is there to show that a state of emergency benefits the parish of St. James.
Mr. Davis is of the view that lifting the state of public emergency at the end of January this year was a bad idea. As for the 3 months that followed, there was a total of 43 murders that compared to a total of 27 for May, June and July under the current security measures.
What that is telling me is that 16 persons are still alive today. And it could be more also. But let us, as a citizens, embrace the state of emergency. It had worked exceedingly well for us last year.
However, the state of emergency has come at a cost. Residents and businesses have been inconvenienced.
Yes, there might be some inconveniences, but these are inconveniences that, if we want better, we know how to run. And the running of our nose is some of the inconveniences that we will suffer.
Meanwhile, Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Fort spoke on behalf of the Prime Minister. She acknowledged that certain issues must be urgently tackled by the Andrew Holness administration.
As a government, we're moving decisively to address several matters such as the environment, corruption and public safety, law and order and security.
Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.